Okay. We've got one more group. Antonio, what is your group think?
So also saying we think that 1/2 is smaller than 1/4 because
1/2 or negative 1/2?
negative 1/2 because it's farther than the 0 and it's in front of the negative 1/4.
Okay. So again, our question was which number is smallest, negative 1/2 and negative 1/4? We had a lot of interesting explanations, Quanasia, for which one was bigger or smaller. The two people who really hit on A, the correct answer, and B, a good explanation that we're going to refine during this class period are Antonio and Seth. Okay? Negative 1/2 is smaller than negative 1/4. As we're going to learn today, and the reason I'm giving it to those two is because of the y that they gave me, is because negative 1/2 is farther left than negative 1/4. That's the focus of the lesson today. A lot of you could look at those two rational numbers, and a lot of you could say, oh, I know negative 1/2 is smaller. Today we're focusing on the y, and we're going to use number lines to help us determine y. Okay? So if you still don't see it, that's okay, because that's what we're getting to today. I will say that those of you, Tiana, those of you who use the models, and you said, I know that 1/4 is smaller than 1/2, that's true, but we were dealing with the negatives. And so that's why what you all said didn't hold up. If I would have said which one is smaller, 1/4 or 1/2, you two would have been right. Okay? It's just because we were dealing with these negatives.
Wait, so if we were these are other numbers, we would have been right?
Yes.
Other than change from the negative.
That's what we're going to talk about today. So Tiana says, so why does it change when we're talking about negative? Because remember, when we're dealing with negative numbers, we're dealing with the opposite. If we're comparing negatives and positives. Go ahead.
20 seconds.
About 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Somebody just tell me what we were supposed to do. What did the directions tell us to do? Because a lot of us lose points on these things because we don't read closely enough. What is the very first thing we had to do for this number line before we got to letter B? So the first thing we had to do on the number line before we got to letter B. Joseph.
What do we do with out of place number 7 and its opposite?
So Joseph says to do this. You said it's opposite. What is its opposite?
Negative 7.
Was that it? Was that all everybody else did? Or was there something else we needed to do? Aaliyah?
We are also supposed to graph normal to the 7 and the normal 5 because it graph the number and its opposite.
Okay, so we did that. So you're saying we had to do that with a number besides 7?
We have to do 5.
We had to do 5. Second sentence. So don't stop reading. Just because you get one set of directions, keep going. Number 5 and its opposite is what?
Yep, it's negative 5.
Great.
That's
negative 6.
Got you. Hey, you're paying attention. Right. Cool. Got that. We jump down to letter B. Now you should read letter B first.